Yeah. So what it looks like here is that there's some new parts in here when some of the other parts aren't so new, right? So I learned that sometimes it's best to hire a professional, right? But sometimes the professionals are really expensive, and the jobs aren't really that difficult. And even if you end up doing it twice, it's still cheaper than hiring a professional. But so it seems that if you don't get things done exactly the way they're supposed to be, like I thought I was I thought I was pretty on point here, but this little brake bracket right here, or this little cable bracket, I had this on the other side. I had it hooked in from the front side going to the inside. And so I guess what that did is it pulled this little part out, and so the brakes weren't self-adjusting. They weren't catching onto that little wheel there. And so then the other day it made all sorts of growly noises, and it seems that when it got out of alignment or whatever, um, this spring let go, not that one, because this is what they look like after they've let go and they ride around in the brakes a little bit. So bought some new drums and replaced the components, and then I got to the other side. I was like, well, since I screwed this drum up, I might as well go ahead and replace both of them at the same time. And because I didn't do the brake, I didn't do the drums before. I just did the brake pads because that's what I had time and money for. So anyway, um, yeah, I learned that I had that on wrong, and so I put it on the right way, and so hopefully they're going to last longer than about 10,000 miles and end with growly noises.